Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're a regular, thank you so much for your continued support. As you can see today, we're doing a cooking video. We're trying to make our lives easier this weekend. If visitors come, we'll just cook them this easier meal, the chicken pasta. So I'm going to show you what you need. What you need is this PN pasta, and then you also need the chicken breasts. Sometimes they call them fillets. You also need cheese. You need your onions. You need pepper, red or green. You also need the parsley spice. That's what you need, and then yeah, okay. What are we waiting for? Let's start cooking. Let's cook together, guys. Let's cook. Guys, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. We're putting the pasta to boil first, and then you can put some salt. You can put some salt, and also some oil, but not too much. And also you need to put water, obviously, for it to boil. You need to put water for the pasta to boil. Remember, it's not just any pasta. Look for PN pasta. PN pasta. It's PN pasta, not just any pasta. And then now, just let the pasta boil with the water. Okay, let's let it boil. Okay, our pasta is boiling there. While it's boiling, we need to prepare other things. While we're waiting for our pasta boiling, we are cutting our vegetables here. We have the onions, tomatoes, the green pepper and the red pepper, and also the chicken breast or fillets. We cut them into pieces. While we're waiting, and we also put we put the chicken breast in another pot to boil as well. We cook them in a different pots. So now, guys, our pasta is ready. And there's something with this kind of pasta in particular. It's bigger than the normal one. It's bigger than the one that we used to. This kind of pasta. That's why specifically we're using it. And also, the chicken breasts are ready now. Chicken breasts are ready. And then now, we're going to put some cooking oil in another pot that we're going to use. And then we put onions. And then the pepper, the green pepper, and the and the red pepper. We're putting the chicken. Putting the chicken breast that we cut. Cut it in our gravy. Let's stir it. The ears have to stay together. You put your spices like the pearls that I've shown you. Some chilies if you want it to be too hot. You put it depending on how you want it to taste. And then you put your tomatoes. You put your tomatoes there together. And then you put your double cream. Your double cream. And then now you can put your pasta together in the pot. Put your both pasta. You can put your pasta now together with the sauce that you've already cooked. Now you can stir it together. You can stir it together. Everything together. And then lastly, you put your grated cheese. Grated cheese. And then you stir together. Stir together nicely. Then you close and wait for it to simmer together. Okay guys, this is the end product. I'm done cooking and I cannot wait to dig in. Let me just end the video now and ask you guys to please subscribe, like and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.